class, as I have stated earlier, today we will do how to find HCF of a fraction. I have already given you the formula. HCF of a fraction is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. For this, as I told you, we have to find HCF of a number and LCM of a number. So today I am telling you how to find HCF and LCM of different numbers. Okay, so there are two methods of finding HCF and LCM. The first method is factor method, and I am telling you this by taking certain examples. See, the example number 1 is 30 and 45, right? Now see here, 30, we will take the prime number. The first prime number is 2. Now 2 multiplied by what number will give us 30? So 215 times gives us 30. Okay, now see, this is 15. Again we will find that which number will be multiplied by which number so that we can get 15. Like next prime number, what is the next prime number? That is 3. If we will see, it can be divisible by how many times? 3, 5 times gives us 15. Okay, now all these 3 are the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, as well as 5 is also a prime number. Okay, now next we are coming to this one, that is 45. See, 45 is here. Again the same method we will follow. How many times? See, we will divide it into two parts. Is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2. So we will take the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3. So 3 how many times? 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15, right? So 3 15 times gives us 45. Now again 15, we will divide it into two parts. What is coming? Again 3 how many times? 5 times gives us 15. So see, this is also a prime number, this is also a prime number, and 5 is also a prime number. Now how to find HCF? For finding HCF, what we will do? We will take first of all 30. Now in 30 we will see which are the numbers, prime numbers here. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Clear? In the same manner, here also we will take 45. See, 45. Now in 45 we will see what are the numbers. 3 how many times? 2 times, and 1 5. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now in these two numbers we will find out which are the common amongst these two. See, can you find 2 here also in 45 also? No, 2 is not there, so we will cut this number. Now see here, in 3, here is in 30 we are getting 3. 3 is also we are finding in 45. Yes, it is. 3 is here as well as 3 is in 45. So we will take 3 here in HCF. Similarly, we will find the common number. Which is the common number? Here 5 is the common number. It is coming in 30 as well as it is coming in 45. So multiplied by 5. We will take it like this. So 3 5s are 15. This 15 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. Am I clear? In the same manner, for LCM. Now for LCM, what we will do? Again for LCM, we will take 30 and we will take 45. Clear? 30 and 45. Now for this, you do one thing. You see, I am preparing one format. You will also prepare this format. That will be easier for you all how to find this. Okay. Now see, what I am doing? I am writing these numbers 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. These are the numbers which I am writing over here. That is 2, 3 and 5. Okay. After this, I am writing the numbers. Which numbers? These numbers. 30, sorry, here we will write 30 and 45. Now see this 2. How many times this 2 is coming in 30? Only one time. So we will write here as 1. In the same manner, here we will see how many times 3 is coming in 30. It is coming how many times? One time. We will write 1 here. Again in 30 we will find how many times this 5 is coming. It is coming only one time. Okay, so we will take this 1 here. Now similarly we will see for 45. See in 45 how many times 2 is coming? 0 times. So it will be 0 here. How many times 3 is coming? 1 and 1, 2. 1 and 1, 2. So 3 is coming how many times? 2 times. In the same manner we will see for 5 also how many times 5 is coming? Only one time. So we will take 1 here. Now amongst these two we have to find the maximum times the number are coming, right? So here we can see 2, how many, what is the maximum times? It is 1. It is 1. In the same manner here 3 is the maximum number of times it is coming in both of the numbers are 2. So we will take 2. Here we will find in that manner 5 is coming the maximum number in these two numbers either in 45 or in 30 is 1. So it is like this. Now for doing here in the LCM, what we have to do is the LCM of 30 and 45. How to find out? See, 2 the maximum number is 2, so we will write 2 only one time. Okay, now 3 the maximum number is here 2, how many times? 2 times. So we will write 3 multiplied by 3. And 5, how many maximum times it's coming either in both of the numbers? That is 1 time. So we will write only at one time as 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are 90. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 90. Am I clear?